These are the two different ways in which you can roast peanuts at home. And in the first method, just go ahead and add your peanuts to a pan, and after adding that, go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of salt, and then you're going to give that a good stir. And for this method, be sure to use low flame and keep stirring just to make sure that the peanuts cook and just to make sure that they do not burn, and that is the flame that I am going to use. And there is not much to be said about this method except that it is the easiest way to roast peanuts at home. Actually, it's the one that I prefer over the oven one, but by the end of this video you're going to choose the one that works for you. So I just keep stirring, ensuring that the peanuts are turning sides every now and then, and it doesn't take long to cook. So after mixing everything together, like you see here, you're going to soon start hearing some popping sounds just for the peanuts that cook, and as it continues to pop, you're just going to keep turning like you see here on the video. And it works best if you've got a bigger pan that where each peanut like touches the bottom of the pan, but if it doesn't, like in my case, just keep stirring and everything is going to cook, ensuring that you do not use a very high flame like earlier mentioned. And by the end of the cooking process, you're going to realize that the salt will become darker in color. It will turn from whitish to brownish. Like you see at this point now, my groundnuts were ready. Some were even starting to burn like you see, and I just left them to cool. And after roughly 15 minutes of cooking, they were ready and warm, room temperature, so I could peel like you see here. And it is as simple as that. The first method, the peanuts are ready and ready to enjoy, choose in your smoothies. Now let's go ahead and see the second method. And for this one, start by soaking your peanuts in salty water. So just add a small amount of salt and a small amount of water to a bowl, and we're going to mix that in. And after that, just go ahead and add your cleaned peanuts into the salty water like you see here on the video, and then you're going to give that a good mix, just ensuring that the peanuts are coated with the salty water. And after doing that step, you're going to drain off the excess water, and then as for the peanuts, just pour them to a baking tray, and just go ahead and spread the peanuts out, ensuring that they lay flat on the baking tray like you see here on this video. And then you're going to put that in the oven and bake for 8 minutes at 180 degrees, and remember to preheat your oven. And after 4 minutes of cooking, just remove the peanuts from the oven, turn sides like you see here on the video, then return them into the oven again for them to cook for another 4 minutes. And after baking for another 4 minutes, the peanuts were ready, guys. Like you can see, it is again so easy, and both ways the peanuts come out so perfectly, ready to peel and ready to serve. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next one.